Hi, welcome to Tutors for the channel. In this class, I am going to teach the polymorphism in JavaScript. Right? So these are the all things you must know about while you sitting for the interview. Okay, these are the questions frequently asked. The developer concept. That's why I have bring these videos of developer JavaScript. Okay. So here you can see here the polymorphism. What is the meaning of polymorphism? Means same person called as different names. So if you are go to the school, teachers are called you as student. If you are come to the home, your parents are called as children or child. Okay. If you are go to the ground, playground, they are called as a sportman, right? Okay. So here, if you are go to the office, they are called as a different name. Okay, you are the officer, banker, something like that. Okay, so that is the thing of polymorphism. Same person called as different name, right? So here you can see the scenario. I have explained the scenario. Animal. Okay, so animal, you can see the inheritance. These are the inheritance. Animals, dog, cat, and tiger. Right. So here, what's the meaning of this one? Animal is animal which include the dog. It is a animal is a cat. Tiger is a animal. Right. So here, animal, the dog can act as animal. Okay, dog can act as animal class. Cat also act as animal class. Tiger also act as a animal class. Right. So the same animal class act as a different one. The same animal class, the one person can act as a different action. Okay. Okay, so dog and cat and tiger in this scenario. Right. So I'm moving to the another example. You can see the shape. Okay, so the shape here you can divide that by three: circle and rectangle and triangle. Right? The triangle also, the circle also the shape, rectangle also the shape, triangle also the shape. Right? Isn't it? These three also the shape. But the circle circle can act as a shape. Rectangle also act as a shape. Triangle also act as a shape. Okay, so that's the meaning of polymorphism. The same person, the shape is the same person act as a circle and rectangle and triangle. The same person, the same shape called as a different names. Circle, this here circle, here rectangle and triangle. The same scenario is also the same animal is called as a different name. Dog, cat, and tiger. Right? Okay, the same thing I have called as. Okay, if you are in home, called as student. If you are go to the office, they are called as a worker. Right? The same thing. Right? So the same thing, the scenario, we are bring the example of JavaScript. You can see here. First, I have created the animal class. Right? When you create the animal class, you have to write the camel case. What is the meaning of camel case? Mean you have start with capital letter. After that, you have a simple letter. You write like this. This is the professional way to create the class using the camel case. Right? Class animal, class is started and closed. Right? Okay, so you can see here first I am going to make the constructor. After that, open and close bracket. Here we have set the what the constructor mean. Here we have create the object over here. What's the name you are setting? It's coming here. This is the class level data. What's the name you are typing? It will be setting here and release the output. Right. So here after that, the constructor we have create the another method which is a create sound. You have to make the method which is a create sound. Okay, the create sound we have to return here the text which is a role. Okay, so the animal class we have a one method which is a create sound. This how we have call it. Okay, role. This is a text we have written, right? The animal class, right? Now you can see here in this scenario, second class we have a dog class extend animal. If you have put the extend keyword, keep in your mind this class has been inherited. The class is inherited. Now you can access this all the properties in this class via inheritance. We are using the inheritance relationship, right? Okay, right. Inheritance mean inheritance. We are using is a relationship. Dog is an animal. I already explained in my last video tutorial about inheritance, right? So after that, here we have to implement the polymorphism. You can see here constructor. We have to implement this constructor name the same name. Here we have tried superclass. We have superclass name me. These are all the properties we have to access into this class, dog class. After this class also we can see here the same method we have called here. Create sound, the same method we have called here. Here we are implement the overriding. This is the meaning of override. What is the meaning of overriding mean? This is the superclass, this is subclass. The superclass has the same method which is written by the subclass. The superclass the same method which is written in the subclass we are called as overriding. Overriding. The superclass the same name, the same method we are create the same name, the method which will be created in the subclass we are called as a overriding. Okay, we are called as overriding. Okay, so this is the thing we have to understand it, right? After that we have a dog class and animal class, right? Now here animal class we have create the object new animal equal, we have one argument we are passing here name any. What happens we create the object animal equal create sound mean this has been printed. Okay, this has been printed. After that we have dog class. This is a dog class. We have create the object here dog. We are passing one argument dog, right? So here we have created one of the method. What is a create sound has been printed. What is the create sound? Bow bow has printed. Now you can see here. Now I am going to execute this program and check it. What's the output will be, right? You have write how to write it. Node polymorphism. So poly. This is class. What's the name? Poly.js. Now you can see the output. Sorry, I haven't saved out. Run it back the application. You can say roller bow bow. So what happens is first time it will be when you call this method animal class, we have to get the method. It will be writing roller. Second dog class we have to call it create this one. Right, the same method which will be changed here as we have changed it here overridden, which is a bow bow. Now imagine I have to remove this method. I am comment it file saver and again bring back to the application and run it back. Now you will be able to see the output. It has been the roller. Why? If you are comment it, what happens is the superclass, which is the method is there, which is what is create sound. What if you are written here this one? So that has been printed roller, right? If you are call it this one, so what happens is instead of this, it has been printed over here. Okay, we have modified this method, right? If there is no method, it has been printed this one. Okay, I hope you guys you understood the things well. This is how we have implement the polymorphism. So overriding method overriding, right? This is the called as method overriding, right? Same method you have called as your subclass. Thank you for watching.